From Forex Traders Daily, this is your daily analysis with Ross Mullins, live from Richmond, Virginia.
Hello everyone, this is today's video analysis for July 26, 2017. Today we're going to be taking a look at the USDCAD, the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar, for today's trade analysis. This is actually a trade that I entered yesterday afternoon, and it just hasn't done a whole lot, and I think it's still a viable trade opportunity. You look back to the left-hand side of the daily time frame, the blue circle, bottom left-hand side of the chart, you can see all the way back in April and May of 2016, a little bit more than a year ago, it found support around this green shaded area, the red horizontal line, just above the 1.2500 level. Now, when it found that support the last time, a year ago, it found support and reversal and made a significant uptrend after that. Now, we have a little bit of a different scenario happening on the right-hand side of the chart, where we have seen the market challenging this 1.2515 level, the green shaded area, but now we're just underneath it. And as we zoom in, it's going to make it much more evident, but we are underneath that 1.2515 level, which we never stayed underneath it last time we were here back in April and May of 2016. Okay, now let's zoom in our current time and zoom in a couple of times. Staying on the daily time frame, of course, we have been in a downtrend. That's not too hard to see, but take a look down here. You can see maybe a little bit difficult, but you can see we are just underneath. Yesterday's candle opened and closed underneath 25.15. You can see if I put my cursor right on it, the open 25.06, the close 25.06, so it opened and closed underneath the green shaded area on yesterday's candle. So that gives me increased confidence that I'm looking for it to continue to go lower. That's what we typically look out for, that breakout. We look for an open and close underneath a support or above a resistance to improve our confidence that the market will continue to move in that direction. And if it does, of course, we look for it to go to the next level, which happens to be all the way back down here into the orange zone, into the 1.2300. So a significant move lower if it stays underneath this green shaded area. So for the day, that's pretty easy to see. We want it to stay under the green zone, as it has yesterday and so far today, head back down to the orange shaded area. And the risk here is that it gets back above the green shaded area. Let's go ahead and zoom it back out a little bit. You can see that a little bit there. We'll take it down to the 4-hour time frame, and as we get down here, it makes it even more interesting as you get down here. As you can see, the market has just been holding underneath that 125.15 level for the past couple of days. Really very interesting here for the dollar CAD. Again, moving in the direction of the trend, we want to see it stay underneath 25.15. If you're going to go short, you want to go short as close as possible. My entry from yesterday is 25.15, and again, I still think it's a viable trading solution. And the risk is it breaks above it. So stop losses easily are above the green shaded area. You just don't want it to break back above the green shaded area. So your stop loss goes above it, and you look for the market to continue the downtrend, pressuring back again to the next support that's down here towards the orange shaded area into the 1.2300 level for the USCAD today.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.